Animals play a much larger role in maintaining a healthy environment than they are often given credit for. The loss of just one species can have a ripple effect on entire ecosystem, causing irreparable damage that can often go unpredicted. Hello everyone and welcome to Go Learning. Today we will see examples of different animals who support the ecosystem in different ways. Elephant, such a massive and a big animal, still so gentle in nature. These animals can figure out underground water sources and disperse the seeds of large trees, which help remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Elephants can smell water even at a distance of 5 kilometers. Researchers have discovered that Asian elephant footprints can create stable, safe breeding grounds for frogs in Myanmar. The scientists believe these stable foot ponds can last for more than a year and that a series of them provides connectivity for frog populations. Bats. They are natural pesticides. Scientists have discovered that bats can eat up to 1,000 insects in an hour. Bat species, they play a vital role in maintaining insect populations and helping to control pest populations such as mosquitoes. This role is perhaps most important to the agricultural sector where insects can cause diseases in animals and destroy crops. Beavers, they combat climate change. How? The behavior of beavers and their tendency to alter landscape means that they often have large impacts on the environment. Beaver dams and the ponds that they create help to keep the soil moist and green vegetation alive. These traits in turn help to prevent wildfires even in droughts. Every year, wildfires account for between 5 and 10% of carbon dioxide emissions. The more fires can be prevented, the less CO2 will be emitted in the atmosphere. Bees. They are powerful pollinators. Bees and other pollinating insects play a critical role in the food chain. In fact, bees may play a direct role in 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat. The tiny insects are capable of this feat as they spend most of their lives collecting pollen. The roles that birds play in supporting nature and the environment are numerous. They perform pest control by eating insects. Certain species act as nature's cleanup crew by eating carcasses, and they even contribute to plant growth and protect against erosion by burying seeds that will grow into trees with roots that anchor the soil. We also know birds, they support economies as their beauty is enough to draw tourists from around the world. Even butterflies help pollinate. Though not as efficient as bees, butterflies contribute to the pollination of a variety of flowering plants. Butterflies will land on flowers in search of nectar. In the process, they often pick up pollen, which is then transported to other plants. They prefer wild flowers with flat faces that grow in clusters, providing ample reward for their efforts. In the oceans, fish excrement helps the ocean climate. Fish feces are one of the most efficient mechanisms for long-term carbon storage. The feces can lock carbon away for 600 years. Unfortunately, due to overfishing, the number of fish and the amount of fish feces present in the water has decreased, negatively impacting the amount of carbon being stored in feces. Novels. They have proven invaluable for scientists seeking to understand the melting ice in the ocean surrounding Greenland. Because much of the coast of Greenland is covered in ice year round, making it virtually inaccessible to human researchers and their vessels, scientists turn to novels who visit the research area as part of their migration. By tagging 14 narwhals with sensors, scientists have been able to gather data on water salinity, depth, and temperature, as well as learn more about their behavior. Sharks. Sharks prevent disease from spreading among marine life. Sharks are apex predators of the oceans, meaning that they play a key role in maintaining a healthy balance of species. If removed from the environment, it is likely that some species would reproduce unchecked, potentially leading to the destruction of coral reefs and other biomes. Sharks also play a key role in disease mitigation as they prey primarily upon weak and sick animals, reducing the likelihood that disease is spread widely. Squirrels. Squirrels help trees take root. They act as nature's gardeners. Because they gain most of their energy from trees, squirrels collect them from a variety of plants and bury them. Often the squirrel will forget where they hid their provisions, essentially sowing new trees and plants to replenish ecosystems. Their activity can even expand forests and alter the makeup of plant species. Earthworms, a very important friend for our deer farmers. Earthworms are perhaps the most important animal when it comes to maintaining soil health. The animals contribute heavily to aeration, infiltration, structure, nutrient cycle, water movement, and plant growth. They also help to decompose organic matter as they eat their way through the soil, consuming microorganisms as they go. The tunnels they leave behind can last for extended periods of time, providing a variety of benefits, including aeration and allowing more water and air into the soil. There can be more examples of animals supporting the ecosystem. These were few. Thanks for watching. Go learning.